Hi, my name's Terry and welcome to the town of Aurora's multicultural festival, the Virtual Cooking Tours. Today we're going to bring you a series of events that take you on a culinary trip around the world without leaving your kitchen. So first, let's thank Desjardins for sponsoring this event and making it all possible. Now, sit back, grab your passport, and let's go for a travel. Right now we're off to the Middle East making our own hummus. Trust me, it's really easy to do and actually pretty cost effective. So what we've started with is a quarter cup of tahini, and this is tahini here, which you can usually find in the sections. It's a sesame seed paste with the nut butters at your local grocery store, and a quarter cup of lemon juice. You put the lid on your food processor, and away we go for a minute. And then everything else gets added bit by bit. 1 clove of garlic. You can add garlic to taste, it's totally up to you. I'm adding about a half a tablespoon. And you give that a little pulse. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This is a half tablespoon measure, so that's 4. Use a good olive oil because you really can taste it in here. One that you like. So half a teaspoon of cumin. Mix that back in. And now we have 1 can of chickpeas, 15 to 19 ounces. You can take the skins off if you want to go through the trouble of going through the can and pulling the skin off. This recipe, it really won't matter. But if you really want an ultra smooth hummus, go ahead. But you're going to add them in 2 batches. First batch. Second batch. Get it as smooth as possible. And here's a little trick. The trick is cold water. 2 to 3 tablespoons of cold water will make it a little bit smoother. So we have some chickpeas in here, as you can see, that have not really pureed. So we're going to keep going until I get that nice smooth paste. So I've pureed it. I like it like this. You could keep going smoother. This took about 2.5 tablespoons of water, and I actually added a little extra lemon juice. And I think maybe 1 more tablespoon of water. See if I can get it really smooth and pure. Now let's put it on a plate. All right, so now we've put it on a plate. We're gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil on it. And just a smattering of smoked paprika or regular paprika, and there you go, hummus.